In modern days, we are consuming a lot of English medicines to reduce the disorders. So it also gives a side effect to the humankind. So alternative to that, our ancestral plant species, that crop is calling as a Cissus quadrangulis, otherwise it is a adamant creeper. If you consume that plant, it will be giving a lot of importance. One is digestive system will be improving, which helps in controlling the wound, especially joint fracture will be there. It acts as a bone setter. Another one is which reduces the sugar level. So in order to raise this crop, it belongs to the Vitaceae family, that is crab family. We can also propagate this plant through cuttings. Cut this into pieces, put it in the soil. It gives our roots, and it needs a penta-like structure, or you can train them to over a tree. It gives a very good branches, and it will be using for medicinal value also.